What's up, guys? It's your boy, Big Daddy Long Balls, doing a video replacing my stock Talaria handlebars with new Warp 9 risers. I got the gray half waffle grip, Warp 9 high rise handlebars. Taking them off of my 2024 Talaria e-bike. And yeah, it's going to be pretty fun. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Big Daddy Long Balls. I'm out doing my handlebars right now. So we got our display undone, little tiny Allen screw at the bottom. Took our brake levers off. Okay, just unloosened the clamps. Now I'm about to do the triple clamp. Not the triple clamp, but you know what I mean. And